Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Raskar Deepali Dilip. My PBL project is Modular Building Constructions guided by Professor Chandrasekhar Parab Sir. Modular Building Construction. In modular building construction, the content first is introduction, second literature review, third advices for advancing productivity, fourth definition, fifth advantages, sixth modular building usage, some example pictures, issues and implementations. Then introduction in a number of studies and reports of Habitat's UN, it is emphasized that rapid urbanization is accompanied by aggravated housing problem. The cities are growing disproportionately to the rates of economic development, thus increase the gap between the poor and rich. The megacities with the over 10 million populations are symbols of our time, but unfortunately they mostly do not mean such concepts as comfortable life, environmental equal opportunities for all population groups, healthy microclimates, etc. The world community is worried by the fact that 26 out of 34 existing megacities are in developing countries. Construction is one of the most promising and high-tech direction of architectural and the most construction development in the world. Then literature review. Among the earliest examples of modular construction is the constructions of Britain Exhibition Centre in 1851, when the Crystal Palace was constructed in a few months as assembled in a series of prefabricated parts. The exhibition was also then taken apart after the event and reassembled at another site. This is the precursor to modular or factory-based fabrication building. In 19th, the United States entered the market when the series Roebuck Company was prefabricated homes via mail order. In contracts to starting growth and technical advantages of witness this century in many industries. Progress in the building industry, particularly the improvement in productivity and technology, has generally have been relatively slow. As exception has been emergence and growth of modular building method. The idea factory made housing was developed in the late 1920s and 1930s in Germany through architects such as Peter Behrmans and Wallet Gropius, and is in USA through Richard and Buckminster Fuller. Mass production of motor cars led to be similar concept of housing, starting firstly with the panel of component based system and later extended to volumetric unit. The Tata Housing Group is working in a housing project based on innovating and prefabricated technology. These houses will cost as low as 32,000. The Tata Group provide a kit consisting of a structural element which can be excavated and assembled. These houses have an area of 20 to 30 square meters and lifespan of 20 years. The project is still in pilot stages and will soon be implemented across the country. Then, advices for advancing productivity of the construction industry. First is widespread development of building information modeling (BIM), improved job site efficiency. Third, greater use of prefabrication, pre-assembly and modularization of off-site fabrication techniques. Fourth, innovative widespread use of demonstration installation. Fifth, effective performance measurement to drive efficiency and support innovation. Manufacturing building components off-site, more controlled conditions for weather quality control, improved supervision of labor, easier access to tools and fewer material deliveries. Fewer job sites, environmental impacts, compressed project schedules, favor complex in work crew scheduling and better sequencing of craftsperson, reduce requirements for on-site material storage, fewer losses of materials, increased worker safety. Definition of modular construction: a resources efficient off-site delivery method to construct code complement building in a quality controlled setting is known as modular construction. Modular constructions, then traditional constructions. Then advantages of modular construction: less material waste, less material exposure to inclement weather, less site disturbance, safer construction, flexibility, adaptability, built to code with shorter build times. Then modular building usage: permanent modular constructions, temporary building in education, healthcare, commercial houses, office administration, security, emergency, and workforce housing. Assembling the entire field of modular rely on optimization of the crane position, based one of the study in Muhlenberg College in Pennsylvania. Over 90 modular units was delivered in a record time of 10 days by optimizing of crane position. Then some pictures of modular construction. Pictures of constructions in America of Britico structures. Then issues and impediments about modular construction. Typically 40 to 50% of modular building construction is left to be completed in the field. Geographical location of the factory, engineering requirements, specific dimensions of local limitations due to transportation constraints, changes in design, duration, manufacturing can be difficult and expensive to accommodate. The complexity of transportation activity is increased in modular construction. The increased demand for every effective coordination and communication among participants. For a factory and manufactured, the repetition of prefabricated components is essential in order to quantity for cost effectiveness. Then thank you everyone for listening this video.